We are making some oxtail right here, okay? Now, this is a process, okay? So this is not something you just like, if this is something you want to make, you gotta plan it a couple of days ahead of time. Make sure you have the time to put it together, because we've been cooking this for about at least like 2 hours now, or hour and a half pretty much. And everything is nice and tender. Now, just letting the sauce reduce some more. Kept having to add water to this. I actually used the pressure cooker to get this going. So then I added the carrots, the mirepoix, and the beans probably a few minutes ago. But what we're gonna do after we make this, we're gonna let this cool off and everything. Then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make, man. Yeah, so I got the cabbage going right here. We don't want to cook it too much. We just wanted to get a little tender, not too much right now. All I did was a little butter and some oil, some garlic, and then added some salt and pepper to it. Not too much, just lightly salt and pepper. And we're gonna get let that cool off. What's going on, guys? Chefbiz back at it, and today we're making oxtail egg rolls using vegan egg roll wraps. All right, guys, there you have it. The oxtail egg roll. No one has done it. Make sure y'all put it down today. Mark on your calendars today. Chefbiz made the first ever oxtail egg roll. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button. Appreciate all the love. I hope y'all get to try it and y'all like it. Thanks for watching, y'all. Till next time.
Don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel.
Chefbiz.
YouTube Chefbiz. Period.
Ready to be my wife. I like how you book smart, baby. You can cook and I'll clean up, baby. No stress and the sex is
Gotcha. Taking the meat off the bone. Pretty sure everybody knew that. So what you want to do is take the meat off the bone, and then once you do that, you want to form everything up on the egg roll wrap. You got the rice and peas, the cabbage, the oxtail, some sauce, and you want to wrap all that up. And then what you do? Drop it in the fryer. So just make sure you take the meat off the bone before you try to wrap it up. Alright? Alright, guys, so as you can see, I have the oxtail already pulled apart, pulled oxtail. We got some rice and peas right there. We got some cabbage right here, some steamed cabbage or braised cabbage, you want to call it. But make sure you're not stuffing your the shells too much, or the egg roll wrap, the wrap too much, so you have a nice wrap. But make sure they full though. So we're gonna get put a little rice on there. Yo, I think this is the first to be done on any type of platform right now, guys. Let me know if you know anybody else that done it. And make sure that the oxtail that you're using, you have some of that gravy from the actual oxtail that you steamed. Or braised, make sure you have some of that sauce on there. Cause that's gonna, once everything get hot and nice and incorporated, all that gonna melt. So nice and simple. I have the lettuce, cabbage at the bottom. We have the rice and peas at top. And then we have the oxtail. Let me add a couple more. This is gonna be mine. Make this a little hearty. A little hearty, hard. Yo. Let me know if you've seen this done anywhere else, man. We have an oxtail, rice and peas, and steamed cabbage egg roll. Oh my MG, as my daughter used to say. Let's get this baby wrapped up, man. We get a nice roll on your egg roll. Make sure it's nice and tucked in. Everything nice and secure. You're gonna roll like a little burrito. Okay. I'm not the greatest at rolling burritos, but you're gonna get it in nice and tight. Not too tight though, because this thing will rip. So just get it nice and tight. Roll it in. I have a little bit of egg wash right here. Use the tip, get it nice and wet, and just roll. There you go. That's one down. More to come. Let's go. Make sure the oil is hot. It should not take that long. All you want to do is get a nice golden color, a nice crispiness on the on that. Make sure you guys rotate this around in there, so not just one side is cooking. And all you want to do is just get that nice golden brown color on there, guys.